Page 48 to 49, 1 to 9. Right, okay. Here we are, girls. Okay, so we'll check the answers with these, okay? Because, yes. Right, okay. Right, okay, so here we go. List the elements of, oh God, I've only 5. List the elements of A. Right, okay, so Aisling, call out the elements of A there. Have you done, you can open your copy and read me out the answers if you like. Okay, takes you, start coming hot and heavy, right, Aisling? Very good. Now what is this symbol A? 5. Yeah, that's a cardinal number of A, so it's just count them, right? Don't list them, just count them. Right, okay. On the right, say whether each of the following is true or false. G is an element of X. True or false? True. G is an element of X? False. E is an element of X? True. And F is an element of X? False. Okay, so true, false, true, false. What do the symbols E, element and not an element? Obviously, I've just told you. Is an element, is not an element. So A is at 1, 2, 3, 4, B is A, B, C, D, C is X, Y, Z. Copy and put in the correct symbol. So is an element or not an element? 3A is an element. 2B, not an element. CB is, right, okay, DC, not, yeah, and ZC is, right, okay, are we okay with that? Right, okay, the next one, in the given Venn diagram, now what we need to do is we need to do this. In the given Venn diagram, list the elements of each of the sets. So list A for me there, Keelan.
4 or 5?
5. Oh, sorry, I'm after leaving out 4, aren't I? Apologies. Which two of the following sets are equal? So A is 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, 3, 1, 6, 3, 4, 2. Answer? Explain why they are equal. They contain the same elements. Very good. Right, okay. Now, Keelan, number 5. Can you list A for me?
A equals 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 in any order. Okay, remember order is not important. B, Holly, I know you don't have your copy, but can you list B there? Can you see them on the screen?
9, 10, 11, 8, 1, and 7.
Very good. Right, then this symbol, I'm not going to explain what it means. Answer Madison, I know you've no copy, but can you list it? It is 1 and 7. That's the intersection symbol, isn't it? Part 3. And then this symbol, I won't. Sophie, you can do this one.
9, 10, 11, 8. Apologies.
It,
I think I got it wrong.
yeah, this is A, U for union. A, union B. So it's all of A and all of B. So off you go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 7, 9, 10, 11, 8.
Brilliant. Right, okay. Number 6. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C is 7, 8, 9, 10. List the elements of. So they haven't drawn it out for you, but you have to list the elements of A intersection B. Aisling, do you have an answer? A intersection B? 4, 5, and 6. Very good. B union C, Keelan?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, okay. B intersection C, Madison, I'll give you that one. B intersection C. So here's B, here's C. Where do they intersect or overlap? 7 and 8, yeah. And A intersection C. So where do A and C overlap? Answer, who was the last? Sophie, I'm back to you again. A intersection C. So A and C.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're doing union. It upside down U is intersection. Where do they overlap? What's in both?
Oh, they don't have any.
Yeah, so what you write down the null set. So the null set is curly brackets with nothing inside it, or a 0 with a cross through it. Yes? Okay, number 7 is next. From the Venn diagram on the right, write down the cardinal number of A. Right, okay, cardinal number of A. Madison, 7 I'd say, is it, girls? Oh, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. Cardinal number of B, Ashling, are you alright? 6, very good. Right, cardinal number of A intersection B. So do A intersection B, but don't list them, count them. Answer, Sophie. A intersection B, where they overlap. Don't list them, count them.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you listed them, count them. You know, when there's this hashtag thing, it just means count them, 3. Thank you. And the cardinal number of A union B, Keelan, 11. Don't list them, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. I got 10? Am I wrong?
With this.
8, 9, 10. Yeah, I get 10. Yeah, 10. Yeah, okay. Here we have to draw the Venn diagram, so I might just draw it out. Okay, just so we have A and we have B. So we have A and B and
Hello, Tori and Keela are going to be 5 minutes late.
oh yeah, grand, no bother. Okay, so A and B, right, okay, so the universal set, remember the universal set is everything inside in the box. So 1, 2, I'm not writing them all out, all the way up to 9. Is that okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and A is 1, 3, 5, 7. I don't think we drew a Venn diagram the last day. This is why I'm doing this. Right, okay. And then B is 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you're drawing a Venn diagram, girls, you always start with the heart. The heart is the middle bit, right in here. So you always start and you work out. Okay. So in here, you want where A and B overlap. So is there anything in A that's also in B? Anyone? Sorry, my hand is in the way, is it?
No.
Now, can you see now?
7 and 5.
7 and 5. So I put them in here, right? Okay. Is that okay? Now, the 5 and 7 are gone in. So they're gone out of everywhere. Okay? Gone. They're in everywhere. Right? So let's finish off A. So what I put here? Sorry, I keep shoving it up. What I put here? 1 and 3. Yeah. 1 and 3. Let's finish off B. So 1 and 3 are gone. Sorry, I should have knocked them out. And they're gone out of the universal set as well. Right? What I put out in to finish off B? 6 and 8. So 6 has gone in, 8 has gone in. So the 6 and 8 has gone in. So the 6 and the 8 has gone in. So A is finished, B is finished. So the rest go on the outside. So what have I to put on the outside? What's not gone in? There's a 2, a 4, and a 9. Now you can put them anywhere outside the circles. They don't have to be in that corner. They can be anywhere. Are we good? We're drawing a Venn diagram? Right, because we didn't do one of those the last day. Okay, so that was number 8. And then number 9. Right, it says, number 9. Sienna, you can do all this because I've been picking on the whole lot of them while you weren't here. So I'm on number 9, and if I could find number 9, you can see that, can you? Yeah. Maybe go bigger. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on number 9 here. List the elements of P. So can you list everything that's in P for me?
A, P, I, O, U, T.
Very good. List elements of Q. You're still up, Sienna.
P, Q, R, S, T, U, O.
Brilliant. This, I'm not telling you what it means.
O, U, T.
It's the intersection, very good. And this one, I won't tell you what it means either.
A, I, B, Q,
And the bit in the middle, the whole lot, and OUT. Is that right? Okay, right girls, okay, I'm still on the same section. Okay, I have a couple of bits to do. I have to do the complement of a set. That's basically all I have to do, right? Okay, so if I do the complement, this is for your notes copy. Okay, there's the juice. So this is continuing on in your notes copy, okay, and it's called the complement of a set. And it's A with a little dash up at the top, or A with a little C up at the top. So the C stands for complement and the dash is the complement as well. Okay, so both symbols. Okay, so A dash or AC. Okay, so A complement is all the elements outside of A. A complement is the set of elements not in A. So I put not in capitals in A. So if I do example, if I do so I call that set A, this is set B, and this is the universal set, and I'll go 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 9 on the outside. Okay, right? Is that alright? So can you all read them? They're big enough, are they? Sorry. We good?
Is that a 12 or a 12?
No, that's a capital U for universal set. Okay, sorry. Bad writing. Are we good? Right, okay. So if I asked you girls to list, I'll do it here at the bottom, A complement, right? So A complement, girls, I'm going to draw a green line around A, right? Okay, so that's the set A. So A complement is everything outside of A. So it's everything not in the green circle. We don't care what circle it's in or if it's even in a circle, but if it's not in the green circle, I have to list it. So what's the answer for A complement? 2, 6, 5, and 9 as well. So even though 9 is on the outside, it's still part of A complement. Is that okay? So it's once it's outside the green circle, it's A complement, right? What if I did B complement and I have to get a different color pen? I don't want my red one, I love red. Right, okay, I can't get it off. Right, so B complement, girls, is outside the red circle. So it doesn't matter where it is. If it's outside the red circle, it's part of B complement. Right, so what's B complement there for me? 1, 8, 10, and 9. And as you can see, any order, remember a set, any order doesn't matter. Okay, so as long as you have a 1, 8, 10, and 9 in there, you can list them in any order. Right, okay. Question, right, based on that, is A complement equal to B complement? Is it? No. Right? No. God, no. Because there's a 2, 6, 5 and 9, and there's a 1, 8, 9, 10 and 9 there. Is that okay? Right, okay. So that's complement. What if I said, where does A complement intersect B complement? Where does this set, right, so it's not A intersection B, right, sorry, it's not A intersection B, girls, it's A complement intersection B complement. So A complement is here, B complement is here. So where do those two sets intersect? It's just 9, isn't it? Do you all see that? Is everyone okay with that? So it wasn't A intersection B, which would be 3 and 7. It was A complement intersect B complement. So 9. Okay? Right, are we good? Okay. What am I going to do now? Will I move on to the next one? It's over. Yeah, I will, yeah. Right, okay. Are we good? Can I move it up? Right, the next thing I want to talk about is set difference. Now this is new, I think, this year. Or maybe you did it. Actually, do you know what? You probably did it last year. So set difference is like a takeaway. So if I had A, see that means B. So how you pronounce that is you say A less B. Have you books? Or not books, copies and stuff. All right. Yeah, do that. That's a good idea. That's a really good idea, actually. Write them on the whiteboards, take a picture and copy it into your notes copy tonight. Okay? Yeah. Right? Okay. So set difference, girls, is A less B. It's like the takeaway. In normal sums we have 3 plus 4. That's like 3 union 4, right? Okay. And this is A less B is like 3 takeaway 4. So it's like a takeaway, so don't write that down now because that won't make sense. Right, okay. So what we do is, right, okay, so if I go back, I'll go back to the same set I had there. 1, 8, 10, 3, 7. 1, 8, 10, 3, 7, 2, 6, 5. And a 9 on the outside. So this is A, this is B, and this is the universal set. Is that okay? Right, okay. Oh, don't wipe the boards with those. Right, okay, because it'll make them all sticky and you won't be able to write in it. It's all sticky already. No. Yeah, it makes them all sticky and then you can't write in it. I have stuff to clean it. Okay. See that blue button down there, Kayla? You grab that. Yeah, that's special stuff to clean the whiteboard. So, do you want to get some blue paper? Well, yours is clean now, but if you want to clean yours, because I know they're a bit messy, but. Is it coming up cleaner than it was? Yeah, they're a bit. Yeah, I couldn't look at them anymore. I bought myself nice new shiny white ones. Well, they were nice new shiny white ones until I used them, and now they're less shiny. Right. Okay. Anyway, there's my sets. Right. Okay. So if I go A less B. So that means A less B means start with all of A. So I'm starting with all of A. So I'm just going to draw, what am I starting with? 8, 1, 10, 3, 7. So start with all of A and take away anything that's in B. So I'm starting with 1, 8, 10, 3, 7. And if any of those are in B, I take them away. So what am I going to take away? 3 and 7. So what am I left with? 8, 1, 10. Does everyone see what I did there? That's not us, sure it's not. I always get mixed up in this. I get panicky in this test when the bell goes on. I'm not ready. Right, okay, is that okay? So A less B means start with everything in the red circle and take away anything that's in B. So 3 and 7 are in B as well, aren't they? So you have to take those away, so I'll be left with 1, 8 and 10. What if I said B less A? Can anyone explain to me in English what I'm supposed to do? What do I start with? Yeah. And take away 3 and 7. Very good. Flying it. Right? So you start with everything in the green circle. So you're starting with 3, 7, 2, 6, 5. And if I take away any of those that are in A, I'm going to take away the 3 and the 7. So I'm going to be left with a 2, a 6, and a 5. Is that okay? Does everyone understand what this less means? So you say A less B, but I like to call it takeaway. So it's like A, takeaway, start with A, take away anything that's in B. Start with B, take away anything that's in A. Now, next question, is A less B equal to B less A? No. They're clearly very different answers, aren't they? So A less B is that, B less A is that. So the answer is no. Is that okay? Right, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a load of questions again, right, okay, on set difference and on what we were doing, complement and stuff, okay? So I'm going to ask you to do page 49 to 50, and we did up to 1 to 9, so let's do 10 to 15, and then they're short enough, and you're going to start now, and then you're going to do page 52 to 53, and you're going to do 1 to 6. Okay, so you can take your pictures now, and I will put up those pages on Teams. Okay. Yeah, do you want to take a picture of the notes you missed? Yeah, good idea. And I'm giving you a heads up because I don't want to get cross with you. Tomorrow I'm checking your homework. Do you all hear me? Yeah. Right, I'm giving you a heads up because I don't want it to be given out to you. So I just want it all done. Right, okay. What am I doing? Ye are teams, and ye are second years. Second year maths, right, okay, and I have to put up 4 pages. Okay, so this is the first page. You have to do 10, 11, 12 on this page, okay.